Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely brilliant Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT. Here we have a Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT. This is a 2023 bike on a 73 plate with just 2,879 miles and a full service history. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes in the matte black with the grey and silver detail. Absolutely superb colour scheme this. The bar ends, levers and the mirrors all absolutely unmarked, and of course you can undersling those mirrors if you like. Seats all in great condition there, as you can see, no rips or tears, and the back end of the bike looking absolutely superb as well. No sign of any corrosion, of course, this being such a fairly recent bike. Rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one there, and an absolutely massive rear tyre. No marks on the indicators. The rear wheel in the that bare alley and black finish looking absolutely superb. No sign of any dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. The swinging arm all in good condition as well. Vance Hines big radius matte black pipes there, or leaf blowers if you like. Standard rear pegs, adjustable shock. 117 cubic inch engine in this one, so that's 1,923 cc's in modern money. All the engine in excellent condition, as you can see there. Super shiny, no marks on the foot peg or the brake pedal there. It's raked out forks, looking absolutely superb as well. No stone chips or scratches there. And the front wheel, just like the rear, in excellent condition, as you can see there. No sign of any damage there whatsoever, and the front of the bike looking superb as well. The front tyre, plenty of life left in that one as well. And the front mudguard, again, no sign of any damage or anything untoward there either. That distinctive stacked headlamp, looking superb. No sign of any damage there, no stone chips, cracks or any other damage there at all. The left-hand side of the bike, looking absolutely superb. Absolutely nothing to apologise for on this motorcycle. No sign of any damage on the mirrors, the bar end or the lever there. The indicator, all good as well. And again, the forks on this left-hand side in absolutely immaculate condition, just like the front wheel, which looks absolutely superb. Reminiscent of the fan of a jet engine there, I always think, on that wheel. The chrome engine here on the chrome engine cases on the left-hand side looking superb as well, with that 117 moniker there. No sign of any paint coming off the engine or corrosion, and the petrol tank in superb condition as well. As we said, no rips or tears in the seats. Side panels all good, belt guard again super shiny, rear wheel all good. Side mount number plate as well, the all important side mount plate looks absolutely superb on the BREAKOUT. Top of the bike, again all good, no sign of any damage to the rear mudguard. Rear seat all good, front seat good, and the petrol tank with the chrome tank strap looking superb. Of course, all your information in the handlebar clamp on the BREAKOUT, which I think is a really great touch. Harley-Davidson mobiliser and cruise control fitted also on this superb machine. So if you are looking for a factory custom, look no further than this stunning Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT 117. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT as service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful BREAKOUT, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take the inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.